Tired of wrestling with DeFi connections? Today, we're cracking the code on connecting your Phantom Wallet to any site that allows it, keeping your assets safe and sound. First up, navigate to the DeFi site you want to connect to look for a prominent Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the webpage, or within account settings. Click that Connect Wallet button. A window should pop up, presenting you with a list of supported wallets, including Phantom. Select Phantom Wallet from the list. This triggers Phantom to open in a new tab or window, prompting you to approve the connection request. Carefully review the connection request. Pay close attention to the site's name and the permissions it's requesting. Only proceed if you trust the site. Don't blindly approve. Click Connect to authorize the connection. You might be asked to sign a transaction to finalize the link. Depending on the site's specific integration needs, always double-check the prompt before signing. And boom, your Phantom Wallet is now connected. You can now interact with the DeFi site, make transactions, and explore the possibilities, all while Phantom keeps your keys secure. Remember, security is key. Always double-check website URLs, and be wary of suspicious requests. Connecting with confidence puts you in control of your DeFi experience.